Your Bronco Sport may be equipped with an available 180-degree camera system that can help you navigate the trails. It actually uses two cameras to enhance your views. First, there is a camera located in the front grille that gives you a look at the area in front of your vehicle. The front camera will switch on automatically when you're in mud ruts, rock crawl, or sand goat modes, and your speed is under 15 miles per hour. When you aren't using those modes, you can turn this camera on and off using the camera system button located below the touchscreen. Second, the rear camera is located on the liftgate of your Bronco Sport. Together, these cameras allow you to see what is directly in front of or behind your vehicle, which can be helpful when maneuvering through the trails. With the camera on, you can toggle between different views. On your touchscreen, press the top left corner menu. Normal front view will provide an image of what is directly in front of you when your Bronco Sport is in park, neutral, or drive. 180-degree front split view expands like this, providing a cross-traffic view that can help guide you when turning around on a tight trail. Normal rear view shows you what is directly behind your Bronco Sport when it's in reverse. And 180-degree rear split view will expand that view. Any questions? Go to owner.ford.com.